Sensex down 200 PTS, Nifty at 25,650 ONGC, take Mahindra Infosys top loser. Sensex stock market live updates. Tata Steel, Bharat Electronics, Hindalco, JSW Steel, Apollo Hospital are among top gainer on Nifty, which loser are ONGC Tech, Mahindra, Infosys, Coal India, TCS, Nifty, mid cap and small cap. Indices was trading in the first among sector. IT index set at nearly 2%, while PSU Bank index raised 1%. Sensex to the healthcare global enterprise approved rights issue of up to raise 425 crore. The board has approved the issuance of fully paid up equity shares for an amount of up to raise 425 crore via a right issue to eligible equity shareholders as of the record date. Healthcare global enterprise was quoting at raise 578.75 up to raise 0.30 or 0.05%. It has touched an intraday high of 627.95 and intraday low of 578. It was trading with volume of 1013 shares compared to its 5-day average of 7010 shares, a decrease of -85.55%. Sensex today. Qualcomm to invest up to USD IP 150 million in India AI strategist fund. Bloomberg's Qualcomm's INC plans to invest as the Mars as USD IPO million to support India expanding technology and artificial intelligence setup ecosystem. According to a system fund will be deployed through Qualcomm's ventures and across the startups at all stages, which is focus on AI application in automotive to robotic and mobility. Market at rate 10, Sensex down 200 PTS, Nifty below 25,700. The Sensex was down 207.07 points or 0.25% at 83,243.89, and the Nifty was down 60.85 points on 0.24% at 26,664.55. About 1949 share advance, 1319 share decline, and 165 share unchanged NSE volume stock और आप लोग देखा यही मार्केट का जो हाल